Hi, this is Risy with Premier Table Linens. In today's videos, I will show you how to fold a fitted tablecloth. After your event, take the fitted tablecloth off the table and let's use the top of the table to fold it. First, join the ends of the cover together. Second, flatten out the cover. Third, pull out each flap. Fourth, align the edges and fold it back. Make sure the folds are even. Fifth, join the ends together. Sixth, once complete, if you use a storage travel bag, it will keep your fitted tablecloth ready for your next use and prevent wrinkles. I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me directly at 800-937-1159, extension number 4. Again, this is Risy with Premier Table Linens, and thanks for watching.